Maitrayani Brahmana, a journey into the depths of Vedic wisdom. The Maitrayani Brahmana, an integral part of the Krishna Yajur Veda, represents one of the lesser-known but immensely significant texts in the Vedic tradition. This ancient Brahmana serves as a repository of sacred knowledge, offering insights into rituals, cosmology, philosophy, and spirituality. In this article, we embark on a comprehensive journey to explore the Maitrayani Brahmana, shedding light on its historical context, structure, content, and its enduring influence on Indian culture and spirituality. Historical context. The Maitrayani Brahmana is rooted in the Vedic period, dating back to approximately 800 BCE to 200 BCE. It belongs to the Krishna Yajur Veda, one of the two main branches of the Yajur Veda. The name, Maitrayani, suggests its association with the sage Maitreya, who is traditionally credited with its composition. This Brahmana is known for its distinctive style and teachings, setting it apart from other Vedic texts. Structure and organization. The Maitrayani Brahmana is organized into various books, each dealing with different aspects of Vedic knowledge. While the exact number of books and chapters may vary in different manuscripts, it typically consists of several books, known as kandas, which further contain chapters and sections. This structured framework allows for the systematic exposition of Vedic wisdom. Content and themes. The Maitrayani Brahmana encompasses a wide range of themes and subjects, including 1. Rituals and sacrifices. A significant portion of the text provides detailed instructions on Vedic rituals and sacrifices, emphasizing the proper performance of yajnas, sacrificial ceremonies. It elaborates on the construction of altars, the selection of priests, and the recitation of mantras during these rituals. 2. Cosmology and mythology. The Brahmana delves into cosmological and mythological narratives, shedding light on the creation of the universe, the roles of various deities, and the interplay between the divine and mortal realms. These narratives provide a holistic understanding of Vedic cosmology. 3. Philosophy and spirituality. The Maitrayani Brahmana contains philosophical discussions that delve into the nature of reality, the self, Atman, and the supreme reality, Brahman. It introduces concepts that would later become foundational to Hindu philosophy, such as the idea of the eternal soul. 4. Ethical and moral teachings. Alongside its emphasis on rituals and metaphysics, the text imparts ethical and moral lessons, underscoring the importance of virtuous living and adherence to dharma, righteousness. Influence and significance. The Maitrayani Brahmana has made significant contributions to the development of Hinduism and Indian philosophy. 1. Philosophical foundations. The text lays the groundwork for later Vedic and Hindu philosophies, particularly Vedanta. It introduces key concepts, such as the eternal nature of the soul, that would later be expanded upon in various philosophical traditions. 2. Ritualistic practices. The Brahmana serves as an essential guide for Vedic rituals and ceremonies, offering crucial knowledge to priests and scholars engaged in these practices. 3. Literary legacy. Its unique style and teachings have influenced later Hindu scriptures, contributing to the development of religious and philosophical literature in India. 4. Cultural continuity. The Maitrayani Brahmana has played a vital role in preserving and transmitting the cultural and religious traditions of ancient India, ensuring their continuity over millennia. Conclusion. The Maitrayani Brahmana, an essential component of the Krishna Yajur Veda, stands as a testament to the profound wisdom of the Vedic period. Its insights into rituals, cosmology, philosophy, and ethics continue to inspire scholars, practitioners, and seekers of wisdom. As we explore this ancient Brahmana, we gain a deeper understanding of the cultural, philosophical, and spiritual tapestry that has shaped India's rich heritage for thousands of years.